Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. New product alert, guys. We've got the Forge. All right, guys, we've been wanting to build this thing forever. Been asked about a million times. My man Bradley finally pushed me over the edge, had me build one for him. We got the Forge, guys. This is a charcoal-based style cooker. You can cook on whatever in there. You can set your little propane burner down there. I ain't gonna tell anyone. I ain't cook with propane. I'll promise. Your secret's safe with me. Anyways, we got charcoal basting in here. Oh, and hold on. Stop right now before I forget. Listen, guys, are you listening? Don't go commenting below. Listen, $19.99 starting price on just the Forge. Not all this extra fancy stuff. That's all extra. Hey, nothing's free in life. Okay, I'll get you a good deal here. Nothing's free. Just the Forge, $19.99. Still a great deal, guys, when you see what all it comes with, all right? Like I said, fire brick basin down in here, right? We got built-in skewer holders here. I ain't gonna charge you extra for that. That's included. We've got 2 cooking grates here. They are adjustable. You can see you got multiple different heights here to choose from. Now this grill top here, that is extra, all right? Tell me you want a grill top, I'm just gonna charge you a small amount of money, but I mean, hey, 1/4-inch plate, guys, come on now. You got the griddle top. The rotisserie, all right? We put the mounting location for the rotisserie, we built it in. I ain't gonna charge you for it. Now the rotisserie itself, that's extra, guys, all right? But hey, the holes are already there. You might as well get it. Just call me, add it on to it, be great. You got adjustable spit forks on there. Really cool setup. Air dampers on the front. We even put some little holes up here for you to hang hooks and hang stuff down. I mean, come on, guys. We think of it all. All right, so that's the Forge. That wasn't enough for Bradley. He wanted on the off-road package to match his other smoke. If you haven't seen that video, his Fridge 36, go check that out. But we got the off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires, custom powder coat, of course. Got the little storage compartment down here, a little extra dry storage. Got a little area here to set your utensils and tools, such as your TMG ass shovel, stainless steel, all right. D-ring tie down back here as well. Custom logo, powder coated. You got the shelf on the side here as well. You got a little area up front to use as well. So a lot of places to set stuff down. I mean, what just a really badass cooker here, guys. I'm pretty excited about this one. Hope y'all are too, but hey, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.